Dharamshala to McLeod Ganj. Sounds like a mouthful? Well, it might be a bit tricky to pronounce, but the journey is anything but difficult to enjoy. Trust me, it's an adventure, not a tongue twister. The path from Dharamshala to McLeod Ganj is a trekker's paradise, filled with rugged trails and scenic beauty. Nestled in the Indian Himalayas, this trek is your ticket to breathtaking views and spiritual enlightenment. The panoramic vistas of the Dhauladhar range will leave you in awe, and the serene environment will calm your soul. A perfect one-day escape for thrill seekers and peace seekers alike. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline rush or a peaceful retreat, this trek offers the best of both worlds. Imagine this: towering pine forests, majestic Dhauladhar peaks piercing the sky, the crisp mountain air filling your lungs. Every step you take brings you closer to nature, and the experience is nothing short of magical. This isn't a dream, it's your welcome mat to the Himalayas. The entrance to this trek is like a gateway to another world, one where nature reigns supreme and every moment is a new discovery. Whether you're a seasoned trekker or a weekend warrior, this journey caters to all. The trails are designed to challenge and inspire, making it a perfect adventure for everyone. It's a challenge you can conquer, a story you'll tell for years to come. Reaching the summit is a moment of triumph, and the memories you make along the way will be cherished forever. So are you ready to trade your office chair for hiking boots? The mountains are calling, and this trek is your answer. Pack your bags, lace up your boots, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Let's get down to brass tacks. Preparing for a trek is as important as the trek itself. The right gear and mindset can make all the difference. The Dharamshala to McLeod Ganj Trek is about 9 kilometers. This route offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural experiences. Sounds easy? It is, mostly. But don't underestimate it. The trail can surprise you with its twists and turns. Expect a moderate climb, perfect for an active day out. The terrain varies, keeping the trek interesting and engaging. The best time? March to June, when the rhododendrons are in bloom, painting the mountainsides in fiery hues. The vibrant colors add a magical touch to your journey. September to November also offers clear skies and pleasant temperatures. The crisp air and clear views make for a memorable trek. Pack light, but pack smart. Essentials like a first aid kit, multi-tool, and extra layers can be lifesavers. Water, snacks, a hat, and sunscreen are your best friends. Comfortable shoes are non-negotiable. Hydration and energy are key to keeping you going. Remember, the mountains test you, but they also reward you. The breathtaking views and sense of accomplishment are worth every step. The trailhead awaits near Dharamshala's bustling market. As you ascend, the air grows cooler, crisper. The din of the town fades, replaced by birdsong and rustling leaves. Every turn on the trail unveils a new vista. Waterfalls cascade down rocky slopes. Monkeys swing through the canopy, their calls echoing through the trees. Keep your eyes peeled for the magical Bagsunag waterfall, a perfect spot for a refreshing break and a taste of nature's raw power. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Section 4. Tibetan Culture and Hospitality. Reaching McLeod Ganj is like stepping into another world. Nestled in the foothills of the Himalayas, this town is a sanctuary of peace and spirituality. The streets are alive with the vibrant energy of Tibetan culture, from the bustling markets to the serene monasteries. Prayer flags flutter in the breeze, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the snow-capped peaks beyond. Each flag carries a prayer, a wish for peace and harmony, sent out into the universe with every gust of wind. The air hums with a spiritual energy. The gentle spinning of prayer wheels adds to the tranquil atmosphere, each turn a silent prayer, a moment of reflection. Monasteries adorned with intricate carvings dot the landscape. These sacred spaces are not just places of worship but also centers of learning and community, where ancient traditions are preserved and passed down through generations. The aroma of yak butter tea and momos fills the air, inviting you to experience Tibetan culture. Engage with the locals who are always eager to share their stories and traditions. The food is a reflection of their way of life, simple yet deeply nourishing. Their warmth and hospitality are legendary. Visitors are often welcomed into homes with open arms, treated not as strangers but as honored guests. This sense of community and belonging is at the heart of Tibetan culture. Listen to their stories, savor their cuisine, and immerse yourself in their rich traditions. Every interaction is an opportunity to learn and grow, to connect with a culture that values peace, compassion, and harmony above all else. Section 5. Embrace the adventure. So, what are you waiting for? The Dharamshala to McLeod Ganj Trek is more than just a hike. It's a journey of self-discovery. Challenge your body, awaken your senses, and embrace the raw beauty of the Himalayas. This is your chance to escape the ordinary and create memories that will last a lifetime. Pack your bags, lace up your boots, and answer the call of the mountains. Adventure awaits.